Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Arhad Ahmed, student of Russia University, Department of Banking and Insurance. In this video, I will show you that how we can compute the future value of annuity. Uh, this means that if I deposit a certain amount of money every year, that means at the end of the year or at the first of the year for a certain period of time at a certain interest rate, then what amount I can withdraw at the end of the period. So let's start. This is an example of future value of annuity. In here we can see that the payment, that means every year I deposit is 1 lakh. At the end of the period, for 12 years, I deposit 1 lakh, and the rate of interest is 8%, and the number of year is 12. That means I will invest, or I will deposit every year. At the end of the every year is a 1 lakh at 8% interest, and for 12 years. Then what will be my future amount? That means after 12 years later, what amount I can withdraw from the bank. So if I compute this, I have to use the um, future value formula. So first of all, I have to put a equal sign. Then since this is a problem of future value annuity, so I have to put a formula of future value, that means FB, and click double on FB. Okay, then I have to maintain this series. First of all, rate of interest, and then number of period, total number of period. Here the total number of period 12. Then payment, we can see that the payment or the early annuity is 1 lakh. Then present value, there is no any present value, so this is 0. And type, since we can say that we have to I am depositing after at the end of the period, so type will be 0. So first of all, rate, we can see that the rate is 8%, so click on 8%, then comma, then need period, we can see that the need period is 12 years, so 12 years. Then payment, that means early annuity, so early annuity is 1 lakh, so click on 1 lakh, then comma, present value, there is no any present value, so we have to put as 0. Okay, then the type, we already said that when we provide annuity or we pay annuity at the end of the period, then we have to add a 0 sign. Okay, and now I'm closing the equation or formula, so I have to put closing bracket. And now if I click on enter button, then I will find the future value. Okay, so I can see that if one person, or if I provide an annuity at the end of the every year for 1 lakh at 8% interest rate for 12 years, I can withdraw after 12 years about 1 lakh 89,000, sorry, uh, 18 lakh 97,712 dollars. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.